Okay, in this quiz, I'm going to give you 15 questions. Each question is going to be a symbol from an Ordnance survey map. Now, during the quiz, I will use the cursor, the arrow that you can see on the screen, to point to a symbol. What I would like you to do in your class jotter is write down what that symbol means. Now, I'd like you to start by writing the title in your jotter, Map Symbols Quiz. Okay, so write that down now. You might want to pause the video. Now, once you've written it down, you then want to write down the numbers 1 to 15 because I'm going to give you 15 questions. Now, to answer each question, you'll not just have to pay attention to the video, but what you'll need to do is in the main assignment task, you'll need to open up the 2 links that should take you to map symbols like I'm showing you here. So these are all the Ordnance Survey map symbols that you'll find on an Ordnance Survey map. Okay, so ready to start the quiz. We're going to start with number 1. So write down number 1 if you haven't done so already. And I would like you to tell me what this map symbol right here that I'm zooming in on with the little blue triangle. What is that little blue triangle? It's got the numbers 107 below it. Now, we've come across that already in geography. Okay, so that's question number 1. Question number 2. Across this map, you can see lots of small cream-colored squares. There they are. And if we go into the town of Dunning, you can see even more of them. Okay, there they all are. What are these cream-colored shapes that you get on maps? That's question number 2. So just pause the video now, write it down. Okay, question number 3. In the town of Dunning, you can see this small square with a cross on top of it. What type of building is that? Now, be very specific about the one that it is. Nearby in Dunning, you can see the abbreviation PH. What does the abbreviation PH stand for? That's question number 4. Okay, question number 5. Over here, we have a type of woodland, and it's got 2 symbols in it. What type of woodland is that? That's question number 5. Okay, question number 6. We can see here a strange thin triangle with a funny shape on the top. What type of symbol is that? Okay, that was question number 6. Right, question 7. We've got a railway line here, and you'll notice sometimes there's these little shapes next to it, and then sometimes there's these little shapes next to it. I'd like to know, what does this little symbol either side of the railway line mean? We can see the same one up here with the road. This is the A9 road passing through, whatever this is. So what is that symbol? That's question number 7. Okay, question number 8. Let's move over this way. We can see the abbreviation LC, and it seems to be next to this railway line. So what does the abbreviation LC stand for? That's question 8. Okay. Question number 9. Cutting across the map diagonally, we can see this black line with little V's either side of it. What is this symbol? That's question number 9. Okay, question number 10. What is this big blue line? It's a type of road, but what type of road is a road when it is blue? That's question number 10. All right, let's go into the city of Perth now. Question 11. We can see this black railway line here, but at this point right here, there's a red symbol. A couple of squares or rectangles joined together. What is that there? That's question number 11. All right, question number 12, really nearby, is this symbol, this red circle with two things coming out. Now, it kind of looks like the London Underground symbol, but it's not an underground. What is it? That's question number 12. Okay, question number 13. What is this symbol here, this blue sun? What is that? That's question number 13. Question number 14. This symbol here, this blue footprint. What does a blue footprint mean? That's question number 14. And our last question for the quiz. What does the abbreviation SCH stand for? Okay, now that's the end of the quiz. You can go back and look at any of them and match them to the symbol sheets that you've got that will help you answer any of these questions. I'm just going to put them up and you can pause them on your screen if you don't have access to them some other way. So this is one of our sheets here. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in the middle for a second. You can pause it and zoom in. And this, just make it bigger for you. So that's a whole group of symbols, and a number of the symbols I showed you came from there. And here is the other one. Okay, so if you can't find any of them, you will find the symbols I pointed to somewhere on these. So good luck with those 15 questions, and we will mark it next lesson when we are all together.